our oil-water separator. First off, the overall dimensions. After removing the top lid cover, we have overall length. We have 13 3/8, 17 1/4 depth by 11 1/4 inches tall. By removing the main interceptor, the main pipe connector can be inserted and locked. Coming to the side will be an opening to insert your baffle. Insert the baffle into the slot and use the hex nut to lock. Additional interceptors can be removed. And the interior depth will measure 15.5 inches. Also included will be the basket along with a pair of work gloves. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.